Hey everyone, this is question number 54 from chapter 13. This problem is about oxygen, asks us to calculate the RMS speed at 0 degrees C, and then determine how many times per second it would move back and forth across a 5-meter long room on average. All right, so A, we're just going to use the V RMS equation, 319 equals the square root 3kt over m, which is going to equal square root 3 times k, which is 1.38, times 10 to the minus 23 joules per Kelvin, times T, 0 degrees Celsius plus 273 to convert to Kelvin, so that's just going to be 273K all over M. And to calculate M for oxygen, there's 2 in a gas molecule, so 2, 15.9994 times 32. And we have to convert to 1.66 times 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. So that's to change from atomic mass units. That's going to give us a speed of 461 meters per second. That's the answer part A. Okay, so part B then asks us how many round trips on average this oxygen molecule could take across a 5-meter long room. Okay, so VRMS, let's define what that means. VRMS squared is equal to, so we can get a magnitude, is equal to Vx squared. Remember, RMS's root means speed. Vx squared plus Vy squared plus Vz squared. So that equals 3 Vx squared, because we're assuming that it's only traveling in the x direction. So 3Vx equals V squared RMS. So then Vx equals VRMS divided by the square root of 3. So the time for one crossing of the room is then given by V equals d over t. So to solve for t, you have t equals d over, it's a really bad d over Vx. So we plug this in for Vx and you get square root of 3d over VRMS. Okay, and that's just when you plug in this for Vx into this equation. Okay, so that equals t. So the time for a round trip is multiply that by 2, because it's round trips going to and from VRMS. So thus, the number of back and forth trips per second, the reciprocal is the reciprocal of the time. So that's going to give us VRMS over 2 square root 3 times d. And you plug everything in. 461 meters per second over 2 times root 3 times distance is 5 meters. plug all that in. 26.62 trips, which we can round to 27 round trips.